Maybe you remember the len function and the isInstance function. The len function takes only one argument, and the isInstance function, you saw, it takes two arguments. You can also see that in the help documentation. So obj, that's the only argument that length takes. And if you look at isInstance, it will get obj and class or tuple. So some functions need one argument, some need two. Now these two functions were built-in Python functions. So the Python developers team designed these functions. So how can we make our own functions with multiple arguments? Pretty easy. Let's say we want an area function that calculates the area of a rectangle. To have more than one argument, you just need to separate the parameters with a comma. So parameter and argument. A parameter is what we refer to these variables when we are defining the function. And when we call the function, like here, we refer to them as arguments in the function call site, so to say. So return a times b, that will return the area of a rectangle. And of course, when you call the function, you just pass values for those arguments. And you get the value output correctly.